In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do your taxes for free on TurboTax. We'll walk through the entire process so you can confidently start, review, and file a simple return at no cost if you qualify. First, open your browser and head to TurboTax. On the homepage, select Start for Free. If you haven't begun yet, you can also use the link in the description to access TurboTax and kick off your free return right away. Next, sign in with your Intuit account. If you're new, create an account and complete the quick verification process. This keeps your information secure and lets you save your progress so you can come back to it anytime. From the tax home screen, choose Start a New Return and pick the correct tax year. Selecting the right year is important, especially if you're catching up or filing for a prior year. Now enter your personal information inside TurboTax. You'll provide your name, address, date of birth, social security number, and your filing status. Make sure the spelling and numbers match your official documents. If you're unsure about filing status, answer the on-screen questions and TurboTax will guide you to the most accurate choice. Move on to your income information. Gather your W-2s from employers, any unemployment income forms, interest statements, and other eligible income sources. You can often import forms directly or type them in exactly as they appear. Double-check entries like wages, federal withholding, and employer identification numbers to avoid delays later. When you're ready, go to Deductions and Credits. Here, answer the interview questions about your situation. This is where you'll enter items like education expenses, student loan interest, retirement contributions, and charitable donations if they apply. Having receipts or statements nearby will make this faster and help you capture every eligible tax break. Head to the Review section. TurboTax will scan your return for missing information and possible errors. Work through any flagged items one by one until everything is clear. Taking a few extra minutes here can prevent rejections or letter requests later. Before you proceed, verify that your return qualifies for TurboTax Free Edition. Review the product selection on screen. Free Edition is generally for simple returns. If you see an upgrade prompt, check why it's appearing and confirm whether those forms are truly needed for your situation. When everything looks good, follow the prompts to e-file your federal return. Confirm your details. Choose how you want to receive a refund or pay a balance, and submit. Save a copy of your return and your confirmation for your records. Thanks for watching, and good luck filing.